welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hate long intros, so we're going to get right into it. Today is day 16 of Vlogmas, Craftmas, or Crochetmas, whatever it is that I officially titled this series. Wow, today I have a little tiny project. It is a donut bottom right here. That's a weird thing to say, but anyway, I pre-made a couple bottom parts of a few donuts that were, I think, meant to be made for Planet FunkCon back in June, and I ran out of time. I feel like that is the theme for this entire year. I keep working, I keep pushing forward, and I run out of time to do all the things that I wanted to do. So this project is for Molly, because of course it is. I am going to start with this light blue and just make the frosting or the top of the donut. That's just how the donuts are made when you crochet them. This part is a little bit boring, so I'm going to speed it up real quick. I don't know about you, but I'm just not really interested in watching me crochet the frosting part of this donut. I don't know. I'm really excited about decorating it, which was pretty much the only thing that I was thinking about making this. I can't wait until I'm done so I can decorate it. So we're just going to skip this a little bit because it's just not my favorite part. So now I'm just going to sew this donut up. I am just going to whip stitch around the outside. There are a couple of different patterns that you can get for donut plushies. I prefer my method, which is attaching the yarn so the center of the donut is all stitched up already, so you don't have to do anything with that. The other way, where there are some patterns where you have to sew the center hole, I find that to be complicated, and then you end up sewing stuffing through, and it's a mess. So I don't particularly like that way. Oh, and if you see all these sprinkle bags just zooming into frame, Molly and I are discussing which sprinkles she would like on her donut, because this is the donut that I'm making for her. She's got a couple of them, but she doesn't have a winter or Christmas themed one, so this is it. She kind of wanted some of the white chocolate curl sprinkles. They're okay. I'm not really sure what to use them for, like what project. But hopefully I figure that out soon, because I would love to use them. I have the white chocolate. I've got some pink strawberry ones and some regular chocolate ones that I haven't used just yet, but I really, really want to. So hopefully I will get to that soon. She settled on this blue paint and then the metallic silver paint. Also, the paint has been ridiculous because of the weather. I'm pretty sure, because it's just so cold here. And then I accidentally almost put the silver sparkle paint that I bought for another project, but here is the silver metallic paint, which is the one that I wanted to use, not the sparkle. But the sparkle paint will appear in an upcoming video, which I'm really proud of, so that will be soon, but for now it's a secret. But I will let you know when that project is, when it happens. I'll just mention it then. So we settled on these white and blue snowflake sprinkles, and this, I guess, mix of sprinkles had these little tiny sparkly sort of like sugar crystals. There is a bag there sitting right by the donut that is, I don't know if it's supposed to be like ice chunks or if it's the chunky sugar crystals that you get. I don't remember what it's called. It's like the baker sugar or something like that, where it's the chunky sugar crystals. I think they're really good on muffins and stuff that I get at the bakery sometimes. Not very often, but I just think those are good. We decided not to do that because this one had sparkly ones, and we went with that instead. So here is the donut all dried and ready to go. I think it turned out really well. I am a little bit bummed that the sparkly, like, sugar crystal things didn't show up as well as I thought that they would, but that's okay. That happens sometimes. So overall, I'm really happy with it, and Molly's really happy with it. She's already got it displayed, because of course she does. Anyway, now that we're at the end of the video, I just wanted to say thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Thank you for watching, even though this video was a little bit short. I really appreciate you being here, so don't forget to like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you'd like to see more, hit the bell button to be notified when I upload next, and thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.